Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Keypad mobile data in an Android phone. First, ensure your Keypad phone has an active data plan and sufficient signal strength. We'll cover connecting your Android device to your feature phone's internet, allowing you to browse, stream, and stay connected. This method is particularly useful when your Android phone lacks a direct data connection or you prefer using a secondary device for internet access. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to set up. To begin, prepare your Keypad phone for data sharing. Navigate to its settings menu and locate the tethering and portable hotspot option. You might find options for Wi-Fi hotspot or USB tethering. If using Wi-Fi, enable the hotspot and set a strong, memorable password. Confirm your mobile data is turned on and your service provider allows tethering. This step is crucial for establishing a stable internet connection for your Android device. Now grab your Android phone and open its settings. Tap on Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi and wait for the list of available networks to appear. You should see your Keypad phone's hotspot name. Select it and then carefully enter the password you set earlier. Once connected, your Android phone will have internet access through your Keypad device. It's a seamless process, usually taking less than 30 seconds. If you encounter issues, first verify that mobile data is active on your Keypad phone and that its hotspot is enabled. Also, ensure your Android phone's Wi-Fi is on and connected to the correct network. Remember that tethering consumes battery power on both devices, so keep an eye on their charge levels. Monitoring your data usage is also wise to prevent exceeding your plan limits. Enjoy reliable internet access on your Android device, powered by your Keypad phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.